This video explains key information you need to do well in Andrews University classes this year. You will learn how to manage time and schedules, change your registration, act with academic integrity, interact safely with other students, use the library, get grades and transcripts. Before you finish the registration steps to take an Andrews University class, it's time for a reality check. First, do you have enough time to add a college class? All 3-credit classes need 6 to 9 hours per week, including time in class or group work and independent study. 4-credit math and science classes may take 9 to 12 hours per week. Do you have up to 2 hours free per day for each college class? Second, there are always schedule differences. When you register for a university class, you agree to meet the class's deadlines. If you're committed to more than one high school tour this term, wait to take a college class in a future term. If you will be traveling or on your school's break, work ahead. It is your responsibility to plan ahead to attend your university classes and meet all assignment deadlines. Talk with your instructor at least 2 weeks ahead of a scheduling conflict so they can give you tips on how best to meet each deadline. It is also your responsibility to talk with your high school teachers if there's an event added that conflicts with your university class. You take responsibility, working out challenges ahead of time. Now let's learn how registration changes work. It's possible to drop a class with some refund in the first few weeks of class. Full tuition is refunded for the first 10 days, then 70% for a week, and 40% for one more week. Even after the last date to withdraw with any refund, it is still possible to withdraw until within a few weeks of the end of term, if your school allows withdrawal. As all transcripts must be submitted with applications for college admission, an F on your Andrews University transcript can negatively impact college applications and access to financial aid. If you have missed assignment deadlines or find the class too much work, talk with your parents, school counselor, and course instructor right away. If you need to withdraw, email PreCollege@andrews.edu, including the course title and number, your name, and Andrews identification number. In our Andrews commitment to providing a climate for excellence in Christian higher education, we invite students to review their rights and procedures for solving problems. We expect every student to understand the Code of Student Conduct. This is founded on expectations for respect of all faculty, staff, and fellow students, and their property, balanced living as reflected in our Christian worldview, and the policies and procedures outlined in the Student Handbook and Bulletin. Academic integrity is expected. Cheating and copying is always unacceptable and can result in failing grades. Here are 4 tips to follow. 1. Write answers in your own words. Get help if needed, but do your own work. 2. Take notes and memorize these, not full paragraphs from any source. 3. Use a standard academic style to cite references to ideas and short quotes when applicable. 4. Review the academic integrity policy at this link if you haven't already carefully completed a plagiarism assignment. In order to provide a safe learning environment, we expect all students to act safely on campus and in online communication. Bullying in any form is not tolerated, as we believe all people are equally valued by God. Contact campus safety, your instructor, or a staff member if you feel mistreated or unsafe at any time while studying. If you need to park a vehicle on campus while taking a class, stop by Campus Safety's office and register your vehicle. Bring your license, the car's insurance and registration. The $10 registration fee can be paid by debit or credit card or charged to your account. Safety in driving is expected. Follow all traffic and parking rules on campus. Did you know that taking a class through Andrews University includes access to all the library resources? With thousands of digital academic resources, in addition to publications in the libraries on main campus, you'll be able to find resources for any class assignment. Watch these tutorial videos to learn how to use the library wherever you are. To see all your Andrews University class grades, select iView on the Current Students tab, then click on University Academic Record. Grades are posted a week after the last day of the semester. You can send a copy of this record to your parents or school registrar if you choose to share this. You will be earning high school credit for this course, as well as college credit. Your school registrar or counselor may email transcripts@andrews.edu to request your academic record, called a transcript. There is no charge for this transcript sent to your school. You can request a transcript online at getmytranscript.com at any time this year or as needed in the future. Select Andrews University, then read instructions and complete the form online. A small fee is charged for each transcript requested. Now that we've learned how to best prepare and succeed in an Andrews University class, welcome to class this semester. Together, we journey to seek knowledge and affirm faith in order to positively change the world.